how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Triceratops skull. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and let's get started, okay? Line right there, very simple, right, for the horn. Another line for another horn. I'm going to try to make it as easy as I can. Curve up here. Going to go right here. Back here for that crest the Triceratops has. A circle right there underneath the eye. Curve over here for the brow. Line up. Horn. Beak. Up over here, smiling. Smiling. Up over here. Zygomatic arch. Over here. And filling it in. Gonna go over here. There's a hole right here, kind of in the face there. Curve. Curve right there. Filling it in over here as well. You want to fill in these kind of gaps to kind of show off, you know, obviously the holes in the shape. This is obviously more of a cartoonish style skull, so it's going to be a little bit simpler. Curve, curve. Curve for the front of the beak. Curve over here, curve over here, line, line, curve over here, curve, 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 line over here, line, line, and now we're just throwing little flicks of line over here to kind of give it a specific look. Curve, line, 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 line for that, for the crest right in the back of the Triceratops skull. And that's pretty much it. That's a simple way to do it. I hope that helped you out. Hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the main website. Okay, it is sketchingeasy.com. If you want to draw anything and everything, go check out sketchingeasy.com. It's a beginner lesson. All you gotta do is click the dragon for the beginner lesson. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.